Work out. Now, work out, if we're not referring to working out at a gym, means to be successful, to have a good result, or to end well. It's important to note that when we talk about workout, we're referring to the result, not the effort. It's often emotional or personal. If something works out, the result is good, even if it was stressful at first. Think of workout like this. You have a plan, you're not sure what will happen. In the end, things are okay. Workout means everything ends well. And Americans use this phrase constantly to comfort someone, stay positive, or talk about results. Let's look at some common real-life examples in everyday life. We could say, everything worked out in the end. Or, I hope it works out for you. Maybe you have a friend that's starting a new project and you say, I hope it works out for you. Or, things didn't work out between them. Or, it all worked out fine. Now, in work and school settings, you could say, the meeting worked out well. Or, the new schedule didn't work out. We tried a new plan and it worked out. The project worked out better than expected. It's also very American to use work out when we talk about relationships in life. For example, it didn't work out with my last job. Or, I hope things work out for you. Sometimes things just don't work out, and that's okay. Some very common expressions that Americans often say are, it worked out. I hope it works out. It'll all work out. The meaning again is that the result is or will be okay. Don't worry, stay positive. Now repeat after me. Work out. Work out. Work out. In the past, we would say, worked out. Worked out. Worked out.